Hello everyone, in this video, I will be going over how to use ChatGPT on iPhone, so let's get started. There are two ways to use ChatGPT on an iPhone. You can first visit ChatGPT through your browser. Enter chat.openai.com and sign in using your account. After that, you can use whatever prompt you desire, like how you use it on a desktop or a laptop. The second option is to search for ChatGPT on your App Store. Click on the second one that displays. Or, if you see a logo similar to this one, and then click on Install. Wait for the installation to be complete. Open the app after it has been installed and log in using your account. Then, you may now use any prompt you want to use on your phone without opening a browser. Just simply open the app whenever you want to use it. The fact that you can use ChatGPT at any time and that it is simple to access is what makes it worth downloading to your phone. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.